Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ethereum daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You select which tier you like and let's move on. Let's go right now to Ethereum against USDT and the 1126 that we are having as a major target in the daily frame. Okay, so we need to see if we can close above this line, and especially this rectangle right here. You can see how tight the targets are between 126 and 130, around there. We need to close above on the daily frame. If we cannot make it, we might be having a huge sell pressure coming, so you have to be extremely careful. Okay, in the meantime, for Ethereum against USDT, we can go to the lower time frames and we will draw the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom. And what we are going to do after is we are going to Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. Why are we looking at Ethereum against Bitcoin chart? Because if Ethereum is going to be strong against Bitcoin, we might go against Bitcoin and therefore we might pump while Bitcoin goes down. But for now, Ethereum against Bitcoin chart is not looking like it is on its greatest shape ever. What I mean by that is we are finding rejection on the 20-day MA, we have the 50-day MA, and we also have a very strong resistance level at the 0.053858 around there. Okay, so it's important to know that with so many layers of resistance level, we need to make sure that we can first break out in order to get to the next targets, these and these. However, for the time being, it is possible that we might get another correction moving on. We will see though if we can manage to break them, but we have multiple layers of resistance level, making it hard actually for Ethereum to bounce against Bitcoin chart, and therefore to just go even higher against Bitcoin, because right now Bitcoin is sitting at a very huge resistance level as well. Going back to Ethereum against USDT chart, what do we have right here on the 4-hour frame is that we are finding totally rejection right now in the 4-hour frame. You can see that at 1116. Okay, we are finding rejection right here. We might be going further down if we cannot break above and close above this target right there. Okay, so we have one more at the 113.77, and of course right there, if you go to the daily frame, you will realize that the 1133 is the major resistance level that we want to break out on the daily frame as well. Is it possible, Bill, to go all the way up? Yes, it is. However, as we got to say, if we close only above the 1127 on the daily frame, then we can manage to go even higher only at this time frame and at these levels. If you want to secure and minimize the risk, we need to close above on the daily frame above the 1127. Okay, so therefore on the 4-hour frame right now, we are finding a little bit of a high risk right here because we are on a critical level. It is possible that we can get rejected and maybe move even further down from here. We will have to wait and see. Many people are talking about maybe a reverse head and shoulders pattern. Basically, I do not trust these patterns on the 1-hour frame. I have seen them failing most of the times. What I mean by that is maybe this was the left shoulder, okay, the head, and of course the right shoulder going down again, and maybe we have a breakout. Could be the case. We will see about that for Ethereum in the lower time frames. Okay, I will be just having another update, of course, tomorrow to see where are we progressing and where are we going for Ethereum against USDT. For the time being, we get rejected right here in the lower time frames, below the 1116. If on the 4-hour frame we can manage to close above, then the next target will be coming, and the most important one, which is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. For the time being, we have more chances into correcting a little bit more than going upwards as well. Okay, so you have to be a little bit careful for this shorter term period. For the weekly frame, I think that it is possible to go sideways and bounce. Okay, so be careful with how much you short out. It is going sideways, so this is why it is hard right now to predict. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.